What's cracking, my G?
What you thinking? We about to have a good day or what?
Oh, yeah. Let's celebrate.
Too much. All my emotions are numb. Feel like I can't get enough. Nah. If you keep dancing on me, girl, we been mixing too much. All my emotions are numb. Feel like I can't get enough. Nah. If you keep dancing on me, girl, I'll be tempted to touch. Feel like I can't get enough.
Speaking of bitches.
Yo, we made it.
Long time no see, brother.
Dude.
So good to see you, man. How you been?
Good, bro. How are you?
Dude, doing good, bro.
What's going on, dude?
Nice to meet you.
This is my boy Gabe.
Chase.
Hell yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Oh man, this is the mansion.
Closet office.
Nice. Oh,
Okay.
that's fresh.
The bathroom.
Bathroom right here. Nice.
And then the kitchen.
That's all you need.
That's a whole tour in 15 seconds.
Hell yeah.
It's very clean.
Fire. Got everything you need, bro.
Yes, sir.
Money.
Dude, Gabe is barely surviving.
That's it. Good shot. Good job. Jamming out here, fam. Yeah, I've been playing real guitar so much that this is way hard. Alright. We'll go as easy as possible for you, Gabe, since this is obviously your first time playing. Slow ride. Alright, easy. Let's go. Now, whatever you do, don't fuck up. Alright.
Or you're dead.
Yeah, we're gonna have to leave, bro.
A few moments later.
The contrast between the two. Alright, he's dead.
Damn.
Wanna go? I feel right. You're gonna get copyright strike though for all this.
True. Well, I won't get a strike. My video will get copyrighted, meaning I won't be able to monetize it and make any money off of it, which is almost worse.
Alright, who do you think is gonna win?
Oh, I know I'm gonna win, bro.
What money?
I got a quarter. This quarter right here. Wait for it. Oh, stop
He
playing.
ballin'.
Dude.
Stop playing with me.
Hey, you want this quarter, you better get to working.
Yeah, but I'm too good. It's lefty flip and I'm still getting it. You're still about to die. Don't miss a note.
I was trying to do the power up and then like missed the note.
Good game.
GG.
Okay. It's so hard, bro. Wait, show me how you did it. Alright, show me how you did it.
You skate goofy too?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That one get it first try.
Oh, I'm trying to flip and do it too. Nollie tray. The nose manual.
Oh. Oh. I just hit this line, guys, and Chase is filming it. Look at this.
I'm gonna get you the right angles.
Oh, you're editing it right now?
Yeah, I'm setting keyframes.
That's so sick. I didn't even know you could do this. This dude wouldn't fly.
So high up.
My dude was flying. He's up in the clouds, dog. That's crazy.
I can't even keep on here. It's like too fast.
Damn. Oh. And then you zoom in afterwards. Nice. I just disappeared behind it.
Alright, ready?
Alright, yeah, let's go.
Alright. Oh shit, we're under the ramp.
No.
Alright, whatever.
Final production.
Rip it.
Oh, son, that was crazy. Look at that. Aw. Hopefully you could have seen that. It was 1800. It was crazy spins. Did you find a stick, Gabe?
Yeah. Moving it out the road.
Nice. Bro, look at Chase's truck, man. That shit is so sick. Let's go get some food. Oh yeah, she started. Ah yeah, son.
Yeah, we be doing bad crap out here, like eating deers and smacking kids in the ear.
Taco time? Where are we at, bro? We at the little beach?
La playa. Qué bueno.
Hell yeah. Gabe, get out of the shot.
Oh, I am the shot.
Check these stairs out. That's pretty lit. We've climbed hella stairs, and there's still more.
You should go stand on that hill over there, and then get like a
really
1,000
long
millimeter
lens. For real, huh? If only. Like, that'd be a funny video. Just keep zooming in and keep zooming in.
We made it, dude. That was a mission.
And there's nothing even here.
Guess we'll walk right down.
Fucking
Look
hell.
at that tire, dude. He's got.
Oh no,
Damn,
he's
how's that?
tire locked.
Yeah.
What are you supposed to do when that happens?
You have
Get
to
some pliers.
Bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. So icy, wonder why she like me, bitch, I'm drowning. In water, I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. So heavy.
Shout out to Mosquito's car for making it through that crazy mountain range. But unfortunately, the tire has a nail in it, so
That sucks, but
we hit him with that quick thinking, put some gum on it. Now we solid. Let's go.
you're gonna go take a piss, yeah? I'll come film it.
Oh yeah.
You got it, Caleb. It's not too shabby, huh?
Not bad at all.
Not bad? Okay. Savage.
Yeah, give me my camera.
We made it, guys. That actually wasn't that bad. Shanty's gonna carry Jarvis. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you for your help with Jarvis.
Yeah. And we on the other side, Mosquito.
For those that don't know, this is my boy Caleb. He's a G. We met through an old job, and for whatever reason, one of our old coworkers would always call him Mosquito. So that stuck, and now he is forever Mosquito.
That's me.
Good boy, puppy.
I used to climb that tree right there.
Really?
Yeah.
That's lit. Yeah, it's a nice little shaded spot.
My back's been killing me, guys. I've been trying to let my lower back heal. Haven't been able to do really any flips, but today is the first day that we're kind of testing it out, doing a little bit of flips. And it feels alright, but it ain't 100%. Should be good.
You kicked the ground.
I slipped so hard, bro. Bro, what even was that last attempt, bro?
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling.
Nice, that's it.
So low.
Well, we haven't flipped in a minute, and we're wearing like full warm clothes right now. All right, we pressing forward again. Good boy, buddy. A little hiker. What a view, guys. What a view. Tomato. Dang, that's crazy.
Somebody sent it.
For real, bro.
Well, I'm finna drive it out of here. New whip!
Yeah. So hype. Gabby, you see that little pool at the bottom?
Yeah.
We was big chilling in that one time. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, Jerby. Don't fall off the edge, Jerby.
It's steep, guys. A little steep drop.
Got a little pool right here.
Very nice, very nice.
Oh, scheisse.
We're getting our shoes wet.
I want my shoes wet. I'm trying to get my shoes wet either. Oh. Or I could sneak around over here. Probably run and hit a fat jump, low key. Oh. Good boy, Jarvie.
That's my good doggy.
Me and Gav are not trying to get wet.
I got this. Oh, I got it.
Can he do it?
No.
Oh. Oh. We made it. Yo, Tal, can you meet me over here? I'm gonna like toss you my stuff and then I'm just gonna run and jump.
I don't know if I can make this. You can just climb down right there.
We're gonna fly down, Mosquito. Fly, Mosquito, fly. Damn, Tanaha spitting. They're going crazy right now. Dude, that's sick. You feel so sketched right here on the edge. Oh man, that's lit though, guys. Be so sick to wingsuit this. A zipline, that'd be crazy. Oh boy. Oh boy, puppies. Look how declined it gets, guys. That's like going straight down pretty much. It's kind of a challenge with Jarvie. Nice. Sheesh. Balancing on the edge, bro. Look at this corner we just had to get around, guys. That's so wild. Going rock climbing right now.
Like a mountain goat.
For real. Those things are so crazy. We made it to the lower layer, guys. It looks pretty sick, but everything is so like declined and slippery and everything, so we're kind of playing with fire right now. We was just up there, scaled all the way down. And we were looking at that first pool. Mountain goats away! So sketchy, guys. One wrong move and we're toast. Well, guys, we made it to the falls, and now we're kind of just admiring the beauty because there's not really much else to do except slip and dive. Is that a nice rock, Gavin?
And he's gone. He's back.
Every time we touch, I get this feeling.
All right, hit the dive. That's cold. Oh.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, guys, we made it back safely. It's starting to rain a little bit heavier, and my SD card, unfortunately, is about to run out of storage, so I'm just gonna have to hit a transition back to when we make it back to the car or something, fam.
I think it worked.
Yeah, there's no air coming out of it.
No way. That's crazy.
So dope.
W. W gum.
So dope.
Bro, it's fucking snowing.
It's snowing, my
Why
G.
is it snowing?
It's snowing.
I came back here to get away from this.
Dude, what is going on, bro?
This is nuts.
Shout out to the neighbor.
Oh yeah, what's up, bro?
Yeah. Woohoo, now we got the flakes. Yo, that is so crazy sick, dude. You like this snow, buddy?
What is that, bro?
Oh man, this is so tight. Dude, look at all that.
He's like, fuck. You know I gotta hit a backflip out here. Stay, buddy.
Good boy.
Ew.
Snow backflip.
Come here, buddy.
Come here. All this snow. So wild. It really looks crazy, like over the fence too. Dang. Bro, what the fuck? Legendary. Kashi! You like this? His eyes are all squinting. Good boy, buddy. You like the snow. You like the snow. He's so funny. No cap, this is the weather 10 minutes later.
Sun's back out, skies are clearing a bit.
Dang, I can't believe it cleared up this much. That's crazy. That's Southern Cali for you.